If you want to go viral, you need to be doing this. So King Charles has had a painting painted of him. It's quite disturbing. However, I can't really say too much as this is going up on social media, but I can show you what a few websites are putting up. So basically, this is painted of King Charles. I don't know what the red looks like, but I can't say too much about what I think. You go on the royal family. So this is their official Instagram page. And it looks like comments have been limited. I actually read the comments before and they're not nice. It's going viral all over Google. As you can see, everyone's writing about it, talking about it. I probably can't even show you what's happening on X. However, I think you should go on X and read up about it. So this is currently trending. It's going viral at the moment. So I'm going to basically show you how you guys can use what's going viral and use it for your business, whether you're a social media marketer, business owner, entrepreneur. Use what's going viral, use it with trending audio, and write something either funny or something that's relating to your niche or industry. Obviously optimize with title, text, description, stuff like that. And you've got a really good chance of going viral. So what I'll do is I'll get my phone out and we'll jump straight into it. All right, guys. So firstly, what I want you guys to do, if you don't have CapCut, you need to download it. However, if you do, just tap on CapCut. Now, what I want you guys to do is you're just going to type in King Charles painting, which I've already done. So you go King Charles painting, and you will start to see some templates pop up. Now you can pick any of these, just have a quick look. So this is the one that I made, but I didn't put mine to trending sound. There's that one, there's heaps. So all you need to do is I want you guys to pick one. Let's just say it's that one there. Now you go use template. Okay, so I'm just going to pick a random photo. Okay, so let's just pick this one here. Actually, yeah, that'll do. So so you're picking a random photo. This is what it looks like. Yeah. So obviously I'm not going to use this photo, but what I want you guys to do is you're going to use a photo that's relating to your business, and it's going to help you get leads. It's going to help you go viral. So if you're a marketer, you could put a photo of Russell Brunson, and it says you're only one funnel away. Yeah, because that's going to relate and resonate with people who are marketers. If you're into manifesting, you could write something about manifesting, but something either creative, funny, interesting, controversial. And then what you do is once you save this to your phone, I then want you to upload it on Instagram and TikTok as well, or even YouTube. And you're going to use a trending audio, something that's going viral. I recommend 1 million views on the first video and under 5 to 10,000 reels played. If you can find something like that, you've got a very good chance of going viral because this is what's trending at the moment. So people will see your video and will laugh, they'll resonate because they actually know what's going on. So use this within the next 24 hours if possible. And if you go viral, let me know. I'll see you in the next video.